In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam language settings. This video will guide you through changing the language settings on the Steam platform, and with these steps you'll be able to customize your experience to fit your preferences perfectly. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to open your Steam application on your computer. This might seem straightforward, but it's always the essential starting point for making any changes in Steam. Once you have the application up and running, the next step is to click the login option. If you're not logged in already, you'll find this at the top right corner of the application. Now, go ahead and enter your account name and password. Use the credentials you set up when you created your account, or if needed, follow the steps to recover your login details if you've forgotten them. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button to enter your Steam homepage. You're now ready to navigate through the settings. Once you're on your Steam homepage, look towards the top of the page and find the Steam option. Clicking this will bring down a menu. From here, select Settings. This is where you'll find most of the options related to customizing your Steam experience, including the language settings. Inside the settings, navigate to the Interface option. You'll see various settings related to the appearance and functioning of your Steam client. The key setting you're looking for is Steam Client Language. Click on the drop down menu there and it will give you a list of languages to choose from. Select the language you wish to set for your client. Keep in mind that changing the language does require you to restart Steam, so once you've selected your preferred language, Steam will prompt you to restart the application. Allow it to restart so that the changes can take effect. There's an alternate method too. If you prefer managing language settings through your profile, you can do so by heading to your profile page. From there, select Account Details. Scroll through the options until you find Language Preferences. In this menu, you'll be able to select a primary language. It's a great option if you want more control over managing these settings from your profile page itself. Once you've made your choice, make sure to scroll down and click Save to ensure all changes are applied. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to change your Steam language settings. By following these steps, you can enjoy your Steam experience in the language that suits you best. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more quick tips and tutorials.